Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Doc editable to everyone. Here I've already opened my Google Docs file, and then as you can see here at the share option, it is only private to only me. And then if you want to make a Google Docs file editable to everyone, just click on the share option here and then change the general access from restricted, just click on this, into anyone with the link. Okay, so the file has go public, so anyone on the internet with the link can view. But if you want to make it editable to everyone, you can change this from viewer into editor. So now anyone on the internet with the link can edit, and then click on done. Okay, so it's so easy, right? Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, and also don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye guys.